And we're heading down into the basement now. And heaven only knows what number of machines that we're going to see down here. First we have Will with his brand new, to him, Westinghouse dryer. We have the new 1962 Kenmore. And then in the lair, we have Dave, Volvo Guy 87, working on a, what is the machine, Dave?
The A702.
What year?
64.
64.
Making sure the O-ring in the transmission is not leaking oil.
But there it is, agitating in free form with its highly disconnected control panel. And there's the beautiful control panel.
This is what makes it run. I had to pull